Tenant law changes in 2025. What landlords must know. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're highlighting critical new tenant protections every landlord needs to know. Managing rentals can feel like navigating a minefield of legalese and paperwork. It has gotten so ridiculous that it would make the Amazon jungle weep. Staying informed can save you from financial ruin. We're here to help you navigate these new tenant protections effectively. Think of us as your legal guides, breaking down complex laws and, when needed, expelling your non-paying tenant. We're covering rent increase caps, eviction protections, late payments, and new rights. Whether you're seasoned or new, this video is for you. Let's get started. Attention landlords, major changes in rent increases. Starting in 2025, rent increases will be capped at 5% statewide. It no longer matters what market rate rents are. No more 10, 15 or 20% increases. Exceptions and loopholes will exist, but renting is never straightforward. Major changes in tenant laws for evictions. No more easy DIY evictions. Introducing the Just Cause Eviction Protection. The era of easy and default evictions is over. With the new Just Cause Eviction Protection, landlords can only evict tenants for specific reasons. These include non-payment of rent, violating lease terms, or illegal activity like cooking meth in the bathtub. New tenant law changes in late payment. What landlords need to know. Landlords' significant changes are coming, impacting rent payments. Tenants get a 5-day grace period to pay rent without late fees. This could mean fewer late fees, but more stress for landlords trying to make mortgage payments. Call us. We are Squatter Lockout. Chapter 5. Tenant law changes with pets. Forever homes just got harder. Landlords' new pet laws in 2025 will make managing properties harder. Pet deposits are capped at 2 months' rent. Attract responsible pet-owning tenants. Understand the new regulations to protect your property. We can help you navigate these changes by doing a skip search of past landlords to keep you informed. Chapter 6. Important changes to tenant laws regarding evictions. You now must wait longer before you can file for a default. Tenants can now take their sweet time answering an eviction complaint. Gives them more time to lawyer up. Depending on the reason, you might need to give 30, 60 or 90 days notice. This change provides tenants with ample time to squat in your property. Significant changes to tenant laws regarding subletting. Tenants can now sublet more easily, but landlords must be vigilant. Written permission is required, and subtenants must meet criteria. Screen subtenants thoroughly. Avoid disputes and complications. Significant changes to tenant laws with so-called fuzzy math. Prorated rent must now follow a standardized formula, ensuring fairness for mid-month moves. Adhere to this formula to avoid penalties and ensure smooth tenant transitions. Chapter 10. Eviction ceiling. Important tenant law changes in 2025. New tenant laws in 2025 could impact rental applications. Evictions may no longer be visible, making it harder to assess rental history. Certain evictions can be sealed, obscuring past issues. Landlords must focus on current qualifications for informed decisions. Chapter 12. Los Angeles Rent Stabilization, the City of Angels, and Rent Control. Attention all Los Angeles landlords. New rent control measures in 2025 will limit annual rent increases to 3% for buildings with 5 or more units. This is lower than the current statewide cap, affecting your revenue. Call us if you have a non-paying tenant. More Los Angeles paying landlords in Los Angeles. Major changes to tenant laws when retiring a property. Significant renovations or demolitions require new compliance. You must provide relocation assistance before starting major work. Financial aid is mandatory for affected tenants. Assistance covers moving costs, finding a new place, and lost wages, and can run into the thousands. Attention landlords, critical tenant law changes are coming in 2025. Stay informed about new tenant laws and call us if you have acquired a non-paying tenant or squatter. Changes include stricter rent control and revised draconian eviction protocols. Ignorance can lead to severe penalties and financial ruin. Understand the playing field and call us when you need us. Thanks for staying informed. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We are Squatter Lockout, your sharp tip of the spear. See you next time.